My name is Michael Vaisman. I work for Toronto District School Board. I teach design and science and technology. I've been teaching shop for like 10 years here. TechExplore came in today to work with my students. They brought in their own robots and their own knowledge, and they produced a really good experience with the students. They got to program the robots and troubleshoot some challenges, and had them interact with each other. There was a lot involved in an hour than I expected to have. Having a facilitator that is not part of the school makes it more of a unique situation, and so the kids take away a little bit more than just the regular routine. I really liked the way that the facilitators worked with the students and got them to troubleshoot the situations, and the narrative that they spoke about was fantastic. So if you're bringing in $1,000 worth of equipment plus 2 facilitators, you're looking at like just shy of $2,000 worth of tech and knowledge. If a school does not have it, this is a great opportunity for some teachers to take it on. I think bringing in the robotics, bringing in the knowledge and the almost like a peer mentorship style is priceless. Global competencies with Toronto District School Board, it hits it. And being 21st century learners, they need to know how to just not be consumers but producers.